Team, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be building a planter box behind this deck here. Now all the timber over here is H4, so H4 means that it can go on the ground, and we got this all from Mitre 10, and the difference today is that it's all going to be interlocked for the veggie garden, planter raised garden thing. Epic. So kind of know what we're doing, kind of don't know what we're doing, but I mean, how hard can it be? So over here we are digging up the holes. So get yourself one of these if you haven't got one, by the way, team. Ryobi, fan-bloody-tastic. It's a post hole digger, and it's 1+, so you don't need a cord. Fantastic. Right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 poles, and it's going to go to about here because we've got a drain right there. So yeah, we want it to be a bit more, you know, quite long, and kind of scale the seat here. We think that could be quite nice with that part coming up here.
So yeah, we're probably going to put we are going to put like a veggie garden in there.
Yeah, that's exactly it. It'll be like herbs, veggies.
Yeah, because we don't really have anywhere else to put one, so.
Yep.
So we have dug the holes and put all the posts in, and they are all looking level. It's been quite hard because the ones from the far end, like the ground dips quite a bit, so they're kind of like just sit in there, but they'll do the trick.
It's all good. Once we put those on, we actually have to put them upside down because of the grooves here. So we're going to put like a trim around the top, so you'll see here how it's got the groove. So we're gonna, generally speaking, you'd put those at the, you'd start with the flat side down, but we need to start with the flat side up.
Because or else the guy said, from Mitre 10 said he used them and had to plane the top off.
Yeah.
We don't want to do that, so.
No, but she's alright. We'll have a go. So we'll basically just measure these up now, according to our thing. Our boxing, and away we go. It's gonna look cool.
Well, very
it's gonna
excited.
be very awesome.
So she's pretty much all done. We were originally going to do it 4 high.
Yeah.
But it was just a bit too high. Like I was looking at it, I was like, not sure. Because that's quite deep as it is, and then otherwise it was going to kind of be sitting like flush with the bottom of the bench seat. So we decided against it. We're just going to put a lip on the top, and then she's all done. We've had a few issues along the way, but
well, it's not issues,
but
no, it's just like, you know, it's hard when it's not all straight and flat and all that, but it's
made it work.
Some people build the shit on hills.
Exactly. And we've got the top on now too, and I think it's all done. Are we done?
Yep.
We're done.
Looks bloody good actually. All we need to do now is put in the plastic liner. Sorry, our neighbours mowed the lawn. Walk and talk, Mooch. Walk and talk.
Walk and talk.
Yeah, so we're just going to put in the plastic liner and then we'll staple it in. But other than that, it's all done.
So yeah, this is all going to be a path, like white stone. So we've got a bit of filling up to do down the bottom.
Yeah, quite a bit actually.
Yeah, that was all brick path, so that's why that sits a wee bit lower. But yeah, how good.
Team, we back at it. Mooch, how's it all going there? What are we up to today?
So we are just painting the planter box. And yeah, it's really deep and we don't want to fill it, the whole thing with like good soil. So we're just digging up that area that we're going to pave anyway, and we're just going to dump that in and then put the plastic liner in.
Yeah, so if the liner goes on top, it'll be fine because it'll just kill the grass anyway that's on that area. But yeah, as you can see, Mooch is just doing a sterling job here of painting. So we will paint the inside, paint the outside, go get some dirt. Away we go. And here's Frankie. What are you doing, miss? Let's go.
So we've filled it up as much as we need to, so we don't have to fill the whole thing with dirt, which is great. So we needed to dig up all this anyway, so might as well put it to use.
Yeah, it's worked. It's worked really good. Jamie, if you haven't got one of these, we use this for scarifying. It's made by Wolfgarten, which is German, and it comes with like these different heads and stuff on it. Ideal. Honestly, it's worked a bloody treat because it just rips up the topsoil. It's fantastic. It's hot.
Very hot. I feel like every weekend's been very hot at the moment.
Oh, it has.
Nice. I was just checking out the paintwork. It's coming along quite nicely. We're just about to pop the liner in. So we just got this from Mitre 10. It was out in the garden section. So we've got a lot of it. That's alright. So it's really good to put this in because it helps protect the wood as well as your garden from weeds. So yeah, we're going to staple that in. We've got 10mm staples. That's basically all you need.
Just remember, team, what is the key ingredient here to making sure that it's not a swimming pool?
Poke holes in it.
Yeah. The guy at Mitre 10 said that. Now a lot of vlogs and stuff I've watched, they said don't, but I mean do, because the last thing you want is that thing filling up literally like a swimming pool, and you have they're not cranberries. You don't want them floating to harvest.
We've just been down to Canterbury Landscaping to pick up our soil for the planter box.
Yeah, so this stuff is a vegetable soil, so it's specific for this sort of thing. And you don't need to fertilize it, so it's got all the nutrients and the goodness in it. Sometimes like people will go straight compost, but it's compost kind of, it's not really suitable unless it's mixed in with other stuff. So this is ideal, and it was, let me just confirm because I did take a photo to tell you guys. It was
29 a scoop.
$29 a scoop, and this is a scoop and a half because this trailer's not huge. So hopefully this will do us, but it looks bloody lush and we're gonna have homegrown veggies in no time.
We have had a massive day today, so I think we've been to about 5 nurseries trying to find vegetable plants as well as obelisks. Which one is it?
They're basically just plant trainers, which are
these things.
Show us what they
so
are.
We want like a raw iron kind of vibe, but they're so expensive. So found these at Bunnings. I think they were like $19 each.
And they're not bad. I mean,
they do the job.
Check these out. They're alright.
So yeah, we've got all our plants. I've just been trying to space them out. I've never done a veggie garden before, so I don't know. But we've also got these copper plant labels. So we are going to tie them onto little pieces of bamboo and then stake them in the garden. Well, there you have it, team. It is all planted, so we won't give them a water until the sun goes down because we don't want to burn them. But it's actually been a really cool project. We've never done anything like this before, and it was relatively simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok.